We are now live on YouTube. So let's see what's going on. So the daily closed bullish yesterday. Green candle. It's actually closed bullish the last few days. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. But Trump did a speech last night that caused price to just dump. And it is doing exactly that. So now y'all know I go from the daily pretty much to the 1 hour time frame. And I try to find my support and resistance levels on both time frames. So I can automatically tell if I close below here, which is where we rejected out of 1, 2, 3, essentially 4, 5 times. We get a below there, we should be cool to come down into here. So just looking to go from zone to zone, like I always say, zone to zone. And this zone, it might not look like a lot, but that is within itself 160 plus pips right there. And then if you look to go under that, you can maybe target this next support area right here. I'm just trying to find areas in which price has stopped up in the past. So obviously we rejected out of here once and here. As far as buys, probably looking above here where we keep rejecting out of 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Or if we finally close above it, then I don't see it not coming up maybe into this next resistance level right here. Potentially even maybe to these wicks that we keep rejecting out of, like wick right here, but we'll see. And then long targets can be up into here. But I also am seeing something on lower time frames. If we close back below, say like this area potentially, like if we close back under here, we might come down into here. So I'm gonna keep my resistance where it's at. And I'm actually, y'all know that I kind of move it according to the time frame that I'm on. So I'm gonna go to the 15 minute where we're rejecting out of right now and just keep moving everything up. So since we're rejecting out of this 15-minute resistance right here, I'm gonna move this up. And then I'm gonna potentially keep an eye on sells below here. Because if we get under here, where we rejected out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, I would anticipate if we close like we did under here, that we can come down. So let's say we can do it again. Close under here, come down. Brandon, I was really joking, but we are rejecting out of this resistance right here. It don't have any sort of top wick. And we're coming up to a 1 hour high after this candle has closed bearish. The last candle closed bearish. So right now, just pretty much a waiting game. I went from the daily to 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. And the best sells are definitely under here. Obviously, clean range to clean range. You're just looking for this support to this support. But you don't always have to wait till you get 300 pips down. You know, there's a way to catch something between there. So if I can get a 15-minute candle to close back under this support right here, I would anticipate that we could do the same thing that we did right there. So let's just keep an eye on it. Right now, just waiting. I start doing other work through. Yeah. When this resistance actually plays out better, because the same resistance right here is the same resistance right here. Same thing. So you see this area, rectangle, boom. Same area right here. Boom. So until we break above that, I'm not really messing with it. So either got to break above here or below here. And I want to wait on a 15-minute or a 30-minute candle to do so. Let's see what we got going on. Just waiting. Copy trade. Which account am I on to start? Okay, okay. My account's looking not too bad. Antonio told me I'm playing around. You really think so, brother? Sorry, man. I ain't mean to play around with you, bro. I got faith in you. I know you can throw it. I just want to see if you will. So, mm, 741 out for 301. 873. 873. 73. 73. 1010. Oh, oh, oh. It looks like we might wanna. Gotta see. We can keep pushing down. If you look at the 5 minute, I'm trying to make our way down a little bit, but I'm really cool. I'm just waiting till the 15 do what the 15 do. And if the 15 don't close below, we'll be chilling. Oh yo, stop, bro. Y'all be having me weekend. Y'all be having me too weekend here, bro. I need y'all to chill. I need y'all to chill. Nigga, all right with these damn dots. Brandon had me weak yesterday. Roger had me weak yesterday. You have me weak today. Oh, bruh. All right, all right. Come on down. 5 minute making some moves. On a bearish day, I like a sell for real. Come on. Come on down. And when it go, what was he saying? Just go. No playing around. I need 50 straight to TP. We really got all this range to take advantage of. But I want at least a little 50 ball. That's 150 down. I want to throw me a little 6 for 100. You know, he be saying every week, I'm gonna hold it longer. I'm gonna throw a bigger size. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. Bro, chill, bro. Just chill. You having me weak. Chill. Again. Again. You have done it before. Definitely. Love when that money keeps staring at me. I fell in love with Emma with me. I don't think we're gonna get this closure yet. Right though. Let's see. One minute, 39 seconds. Trying to see if I can get a little closure below the range. It might. Looking like it might. Looking like it might. Yeah. So rejecting. Y'all know me. I'll be wanting to catch this buy sometime. I'll be like, shit, if we close right at resist or right at a support, that might be time to sell. Yeah, it don't look like it's gonna do it yet, bro. 48 seconds. Look at these wigs, y'all. Ugh, if this shit shoot down, bro, and like maybe even break this low, I might try my patented Antonio play, bro. No top wick on this 15 and 30. I might have to try it, bro. It'd be making me a little antsy, but. And then look at the 5 minute. It was coming up looking bullish. I was like, shit, if it break this high, it's definitely gonna go up. But I'm open to both ideas, so let's just see. There's a meeting. Let's see, 5 seconds. Let's see how this opens up. As I always say, you don't gotta take every move that I take. For sure. It's just something I've kind of seen. What I would like more is a sell, though. Like, truthfully, I would like just a simple closure below like this. So if I gotta wait till 9 for that, I will. No harm, no foul. And then this don't got the volume that I like. Usually, I want that shit to run down and then continue. But if you look at the 15, like, we just rejected out of this same little area right here. So if this candle closed below this would be the perfect opening, and I would be having my entry right there on the flip whenever it flips. But it's looking like a 9 o'clock day minimum. Looking like it, unless this, sorry to say, these 5 minute candles start doing some dumb stuff and maybe closing like below all this shit right here. Then maybe. Look at that rejection. It would have worked out there, Brandon. Perfect support tap. Flip. But you can't call it on no damn no bottom weight 5 minute candle. It's hard to just say, yeah, that's it. Predicting that. Looking like it's still maybe wanting to come down. All right, just flip red. I don't know if Roger took that flip entry, but it's probably gonna work though. Even having great success with it. Great success with it. If the volume is there, it'll push past some supports. I might get ready for 850. Defending. The only thing I'm looking at on a 5 is this closure below here where we just tapped right into. But if this shit want to just turn back up, nah. I usually would have just got like 35, 40 on that. Yeah, like 37, 38, 40 with the spreads. Oh, not terrible. But if I just gotta wait on a closure below, I definitely will. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Until we get a closure. If we close below there, get a wick up, I'm definitely something on it. If we just reject the way we just did, then I'm cool. It's just looking like we about to. Let's see. Yeah, man. Now I see a buy for real out of this support, a little scalp buy, but now we so close to 9. It's like, 20 seconds. Nine o'clock. Price ain't doing nothing yet. There ain't work I could be doing. Let me see. Got some emails or something. Wait, bitch ass thing. 45. Telling you, bro. Like, you can justify both. If you a scalper, you can always justify some shit. Like, okay, we just broke the low, now get in on a flip up. You would have got like 25, 30 so far. Just said, I'm gonna just say risk it for the biscuit and see if this no low comes down to these wicks and this. I just be cool on it though. All that guessing, back and forth. I'm probably go move around a little bit and be back by 9. Hopefully we get a closure above here or below here. That's all we waiting on. But in this little range, yeah. Think I'm cool on it. Oh, it might come up though. But I'll be back. I'll make sure to leave the music running. Make sure the camera's off. And yep, I'll be back in like 3-4 minutes. Bye. Blue flip. All right, I'm back. My Antonio voice. What the heck? What's going on, bruh? What just happened in the last few minutes? This is weird. Oh, because this low. You gotta close a little higher. I didn't know shit was gonna happen. I did say though that I would like a little selly sell. Damn. And close a little higher up though. Like, you gotta think, I want this shit to close like this, not like this. Woo. That range getting a little tight now. Bro, you right at a support. Not right at it. You 50, 60 away from it. But it'd be nice if this thing come up a little bit. If I got to, I will wait. Bruh. Yeah. Damn. Bro, this all happened in the last 5 minutes. This is what I be talking about, bro. 180 pip fall in a 5-minute candle. About to flip on the 1 hour, not coming back. Yeah, no, it's not coming back. But I'm just saying I can't even get in right now because you got a support that is about to create. So it's about to create this support in 20 seconds. Damn. It might be a 915. I wanted that thing to close like here, bruh. The only thing would be is if it's shot down real fast and like you try to catch the 1 hour top wick with it closing with not much of a bottom. Exactly like that. Exactly like that. All right, I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna try it. Oof, that's a big drop. That is 130 pip drop. I'm probably not trying shit. Actually, I'm about to just chill. It might work out though. It's just it gotta come up from down here and get you in at 150 up. This is stupid. Bruh. And I said it too. I said 1 hour coming up, retesting this high, hasn't broke yet. Let me delete all this shit. Still looking for a sell under here. If not under there, waiting until under there. Just chilling now, bro. Really just chilling. Like, it ain't really much to do yet. Oh man. But say if like the next 5 minute breaks this high or something, or closes real weak and then breaks high, that'd be something I'll be open to. But right now, I'm gonna let price do what it want to do. Can fly around, all that dumb shit. See, there we go. Eventually flipping up. He's tapping into all these resistances. But I'm not getting in right now. I would honestly just wait on this 5 minute closure. And if I got a weak 5 minute closure, like something like super weak, I would definitely be open to a little buy stop either on the flip or the break of the high, anticipating that we come up and make a little bit of a top wick. But I just can't get in now with price having ran down already 220. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe how about I say maybe a 5 minute closure below, but nah. Unless it closed under here. If it closed under here, maybe actually. Like this, if it closed exactly like this, wick straight up, gave me a decent top wick that I can use as a stop loss. maybe. If it just keep on coming down, it's not enough range into this this support's close though. I don't like forcing shit, bro. I really don't. But if it closes like this, yes. 1 minute, 40 seconds. We gonna see. As we know, we quick with the trigger finger anyway. It's all good. It's all good. You gotta cut it if it don't go your way. See, like a minus 30. Yeah, what it is. I should just get in with I should have preset my parameters to minus 30 hill. Sometimes you need a little minus 40, minus 50 though, just to let it breathe a little bit. Especially with the lower lot sizes, you ain't really tripping about no damn minus $60, minus $80 on a 3. 1 minute. You do have a 15-minute support right here. So if it closed perfectly and open perfectly, that'd be something I'm maybe open to, but we just closed kind of just respecting these areas. I don't know. I don't like squeezing into areas. So we gotta close like below here to come down into here, or below here to come down into here, just going zone to zone. But I don't really love just working that 5 minute like that. It ain't that deep to me. I can just wait on the 15-minute closure. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Like if it closes just like this, how many is that down into this range? Like that's 55. 60. It's not terrible. 5 seconds. Is it closing below it? 3, 2. All right, let's see how this opens. All right, so it's flipping up, or going down. If it flips up and makes like a pretty good top wick, I might be interested in it. But it gotta make a good top wick though. Because all I'm doing is targeting like right into here. See, if it just want to respect this, then that's fine. That ain't enough for me because I feel like you just asking to get in and get taken out the paint. So let's see. All right, that's like a 30-ish top wick. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna have a sell stop, a lower risk. I have a 3 and a 6. Now this stop is getting a little big again. It's 100 pip stop. These candles are moving, bro. Because now the 1 hour just flipped. Bullish. All right, chill, huh? Yeah, let me chill. These are big stops, bro. 130. I gotta be saying, I mean, I have it set for now for still, but it's kind of hard to justify knowing I'm only going for 30, 40. Knowing I got 100, yeah, I'm gonna chill. If I gotta wait till 9:15, I just gotta wait till 9:15. Yeah. The entry on the 5 minute candles was like either the high at 49.29 right there, or the flip, which is the flip of the 1 hour candle. Bro, price is on some nut shit. Like it just closed below right here and still just came down a little bit and shot up. And now it done tapped into this resistance right here perfectly, which I also think it was close to the 15-minute resistance right here. So let me just do a fresh one. I think you're looking at now clearest cells are under here. Buys are back above here, but we'll see. Targeting into like here, and then above there, you coming up and filling this range out here. We just chilling, bro. We just really chilling right now. Price is tapping these support today perfectly. This might be a day to size down a little bit. Say size down. Like not being scary, just knowing what you're facing. See now, price is flipping back again. I'm trying to use a little bit bigger lots, just a little bit. Let's see, 1 minute till this 5-minute closes. Let's see how this closes. If it closes respecting, it's not bad, bro. Still, if it goes up first, because you just making highs to continue down. All that was a top wick. So let's see if it closes respecting. Roger, you took anything yet, Brandon? I know you have. What you have on the up or down on the day? Here, bro. 30 seconds. This might close respecting this shit. If it closes above, then like this. I'm looking at. 10 seconds. Right, like right below it, kind of. Yeah, like right below it. But, we'll see. Because the only move at this point would be to get in on the, I guess, break of that 5-minute low right there. But that's a little stretch. Not all the way down here. I'm up here. And then continue down. Like I probably just gonna wait on this 15-minute closure at this point. So, only 4 minutes left. Hopefully price don't go too bananas in that time. Might. I'm gonna wait this little time. Going down. But it held it. We're coming down. So. Be right back. Hopefully we don't run off again in this full time. All right, I'm back. See, how much did that give on the break of that low there? Damn, that's insane right now, bro. All right, 50 seconds. Do I sell into this support? Do I keep waiting until I get under here? Oh man, this is tough today, bro. Can we close under here at least? Like this, yes. If you can close under there, that'd be a different story. I can at least try to get this 50, 60 into there. 15 seconds. We can close right where it's at. I'm looking for a top wick. Like right where it's at. Don't close above. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can get a top wick. 15. Yep. Okay. Give me more than that. You could either use the previous 5-minute low for your entry, or you can use the flip. I prefer to use the flip though. I don't know if Roger in yet, but it's making some wicks up. It's just kind of holding it down. Yes, that's enough for me. I'm gonna set it. 13.1 is where I have it set. Ain't going for much, like 4607 area. 13.1. Come on now. Flip and go. Let's see what it comes to. 682, 524. All right. 13.1. Hopefully it gets me in. It doesn't slip me on no dumb shit. I would have a stop of about maybe 40. Not anticipating sitting too much drawdown for real. It just needs to go. Looking at 4607 area, which is this support right here. We close below here. So we'll see if we just turn to reject out or we still got a little more juice to come down. So. Let's see. I might use a 40 pip top, maybe a 50 pip top. Really not even trying to lose that. So it just got to be a feel thing, like Roger say. Like if you cut it and get back in, that's also an option. Hope I got a big enough spread on this, not just get me in and be on some dummy stuff. So. Ain't close. 3 flipping. All right.
Stop filled.
46, 13.1. Let's see. All right, just saw about. It says I just saw 40 on that. Oh my goodness, it's volatile right now, y'all. I hope I don't go from W to loss after seeing what I just saw. I saw it in the span of some time. Or 30, because I saw 30. Ooh. Damn, boy. Yeah, if this shit just want to get me out, bro, I gotta stop at 50. I'm hoping that we just come down. Did it hit anything? It didn't even touch anything, bro. These wicks maybe to the left on the 5-minute. Hopefully we can just re-break, re-flip, and go. If it breaks a low again, I'm gonna go stop to break even because I don't want to risk being in profit trying to draw down again. All right, coming down again. 13.1 is my entry. Didn't slip me, thankfully, for once. Come on, come down. Push. We play that luxury, our old team music. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Damn, I'm not liking how this is moving. Come on. Come on, bruh. Don't be on that dumb stuff. The real stops are way higher than where I have them, but ain't sitting the drawdown, unfortunately. Up. I'm only down like 20 or 15, but I just don't like how this is moving, bro. We were rejecting and shit. We got if it closes and opens down, I might cut it. I saw 35 and didn't take it. Yeah. I know. All right, we got 15 seconds till this candle closes. I'm gonna see how this candle closes, and I might cut it and reassess potentially. 5 seconds. Come on, bruh. Oh my god. All right, let's see how this opens. I might cut this if it flips back up. Or if it comes down and gives me an exit. Oh. Damn it. Come on. Bruh. I'm with you, Tonio. I seen it, didn't take it. Don't get paralysis. Just cut it and reassess. All right, I cut it at $50. I cut it at $50 or $38. $38. I just cut it. It's probably gonna go back into profits. But I did not like how it made me feel at all while I was in it. So all good. That is back in like mini profits. But I'd rather not play around with this shit with a 5-minute green close. I lost $101. $101. And then $47 on my main account. So I saw an exit and I got out at that exit. So it's all good. How couldn't that shit just go? Yeah, I'm not playing around with this shit. It say I saw my entry was 12.9 or 13.1. And from 13.1, it says I saw 32. So W trade, saw 32, took a loss at took a loss of 8 pips, 9 pips. So it's all good. The real stop is all the way up here, y'all, by the way. Like until it gets broken, this gets broken, then you're really good. I just didn't want to sit in that shit no more after I just saw minus 180 and minus 200. I was like, let me just kind of cut it, reassess. Still, like I said, oh, there it goes. See? I know how to cut that shit. Word to my dog Roger. Word to my dog Roger, bro. So, this is my management on this trade. 32, 33. But once this candle closed green, and I saw a chance to get out right there, I'm like, let me just go ahead and cut it. So thank the Lord I did not hold that today. Because boy, I was holding last week or 2 weeks ago, and one day last week. So I'll take a little minus, small minus. You saw that. Why are we? You saw 30 off. I know, right? 30 off a quick spike. Didn't want to finish. Bruh. This shit, bruh. What the heck? This is where nigga get in on that buy and then get his heart broken too. Let me see. 8, 7, so 7, 8, 9, 3. Ooh, thank goodness for the growth, boy. Cut that shit. Count gone. Bro, get Get the fuck out of here, bruh. Wow. Straight to TV. 07. Insane, bro. Insane. Now it's see, that's what I'm talking about. Like it tapped its zone. Does it have more juice to go past it, or was that the tap and that's it? That's why I don't want to get into of like playing that game of just up and down, up and down. We tapped the zone perfectly. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted, bruh. This shit, 1 minute came down all the way. But then when I got in right here, we was fooling around, came down 30 and didn't want to finish it out. I don't think I can do it, bro. Yeah, nah. 5-minute candle just closed right at the 15-minute support, so no room for that. So good move, good trade. Just had to make a bigger top wick. Like I said, it took minus 8 pips on that. Look the way this 5-minute candle is opening. You do have, if you're looking at the 5-minute only range, but like, nah, you right into here at this point. So you got the 30-minute closure coming up. So might as well go to the 30-minute only. If you're looking at the 30-minute, the 30-minute says that if we close below really like here, we should come down into here. It's just getting a little wicky is all, but it's all good. Let's see. Let's see what we can do in 4 minutes. You really can say you just need a closure under here, honestly, and like not really be worried about this resistance. I mean, at a time of volume, if you close below the most recent, and you should have a straight shot down into the next resistance, support, which is right there. So I will go ahead and move that up. If you close above here, though, should be cool. Should be cool. Look at this 5-minute, bro. Bro, I'm glad I'm only losing a little $100 and shit, but I don't want to lose it all. I'm trying to make progress towards that shit. Not away from it. Two minutes. 2 minutos. What are we doing? 1 minute, 30 seconds. Bruh, I know there's a resistance right here, but I swear we've seen so many times when it's 930 that shit just blasts through that. I might try my hand, bruh, because I'm looking at the 4 hour and we had a resist or support. We potentially can come up. Man, I may try my hand at it. If I get a top wick, though. I mean, if I don't get a top wick, then I ain't doing nothing. Okay, or maybe I was gonna say maybe it'll close above, but nah. Ooh, it just tapped right off of it. Damn, they don't even got no range up into there now. It'd be different if it closed down here. Oof. Damn, I don't know. Part of me feel like that's a force. I don't want to do that. I'd rather take my little minus $30, bro. Minus 47. Damn. Well, no, that flip down ain't bad though. Ooh. Ooh, shit. Even though the 15 just closed bearish. Let's see. Nah. I mean, it's 50. Try to trust 930. Let me see if I can set it.
Ooh. Order rejected.
Ooh. All right, let's see. I got a sell stop set, but I don't like how this shit rejecting like this. I'm glad it rejected my damn order. Nah. Well, it's not bad. 30-minute closure below, even though the 15-minute close hella bullish. If it rejects out of there one more time, it should be good to come down a little bit. Oh, I can go lesser size. 30-minute candle just closed below here. This is making a top wick. This has a support right there. Flip back down is 50. You have a resistance right there and a support right there. Good. Wait on the 5 and the 15-minute. That's what I was talking about though, of like it blasting past this shit at 930 though. Let's see. It got momentum and it re-flips down. It should be good to come down, bro. No lie. Let's see. I'm gonna see what it's hitting on, bro. Just in the 30-minute time frame. Not holding long. Just looking to aim like into this 46.18 area. 46, yeah, 46.18. We'll see. But it can't play around though. I'll be quick to cut.
Stop filled.
All right, let's see. Oof. Come on, don't do me, Larry. All right, it's making a bottom wick. I'm gonna set a stop above like 40 up. All right, I seen 20 something so far. Let me go stops to BE if it re-breaks one more time. All right, I'm stopped at BE. I'm gonna trail in a minute.
Stop filled.
Got me out that break even. Damn it. Ah, wow. Damn. Yeah, okay. Break even. So on that entry, saw about hardly anything. No lie. 46.21. 46.22.8 was my entry. It got down to 46.19.3. So I saw about what is that, 35 again? So it's looking like we've seen about 30 to 40 today. They just got to kind of act right. Yeah, this is a tougher day. I see. Come on now, Gold. Make a decision on what you want to do. Because now I'm looking, now that we made a bottom wick and it's 9:30, if we close above this resistance and this support, are we ready to go up now? 30 minutes bearish. So it wouldn't be holding for much, but maybe looking to scalp it into like here or something similar. 15 seconds. If it closes like weaker, then no. But if I get like a bottom wick, that might be something on it. Nah. All right, just closed, kind of respecting it if you're looking at it closely. And now I'm not surprised if this thing comes down and hits my targets down in here at 56. Yeah. Where was I targeting? 18. It got down to 19.2, 19.3. So it was about 12 pips away from my target. So I think on that 3 that I just threw, I know I saw, like I was looking at 70 something. I wound up making $27 and just hit my break even. So like I said, a bit of a tougher read today, just on what price wants to do. If we get a 15-minute closure above or a 5-minute closure above this range, it's definitely not looking bad. Antonio, did you take anything on that last one? Seen 30 plus again. Roger, you take anything on that? It just didn't have that follow through. Didn't have that follow through. Yeah. There go targets. 46, 18. Or close to target. Bro, it went so fast though, Antonio. You can't really be mad at yourself about that, bro. It went dumb fast. There goes my target. Damn, bro. I just don't be trying to see no drawdown, but there it go. 46.18 was my target. It just was. It always looks good in the end, but it went down here, came all the way up. And what was my entry? 22.8, bro. Hardly. Yeah, I'd have seen some drawdown I didn't want to see either. Yeah, that's the tough part about it. It's all good. It's all good. It's essentially a break-even day again, man. For me so far. I think I hit I literally made 8 pips and lost 8 pips. I got out at 22.8 and entered at 21.9, so 9 pips, yeah. Damn, bro. I need to do something. I need to do something. Or you can't make it up, bro. You can't make it up. Oh. Right into this support area, bro. Damn. How the fun or how the challenge going? I know that 100 like the back of your hand, bro. You know that. Did it start off rough for you? Damn, bro. It's been a stupid ass day. I ain't gonna, like I said, I'm cool where I'm at. If I didn't take shit else, I'm cool where I'm at, let alone doing any other dumb shit.
Man, I should have took that bread on that first trade, man.
Bro, it happened so fast.
It did happen fast, bro. Man, I'm on the phone, bro. If I was on the computer, bro, I would have took that, bro. Bro, you laughing, bro. It's hard to hit that X with gloves on, bro.
Hey, what you got gloves on for? What you touching?
Bro, I'm at my day job, bro.
Roger, what your did you trade your challenge account today? It's been nasty, bro. We ain't done nothing. Still, we ain't done nothing.
That just threw me off.
Bruh, that shit, bruh. Cause what first trade? Let's see, I'm gonna go back and look.
Bro, if I would have took that first trade, I'd be up 500 right now.
So you lost 300 and made 2?
Yeah.
Well, that's not bad.
But I had already lost last night, so I really lost 500 in made 2.
945 hit. Right back.
But
right back.
It's all good. I'm about to just get 2 more accounts with a different email.
Why you gotta get a different email? Maxed out?
No, I just want the 50% off.
Oh yeah.
It's okay. I'm going to start out aggressive on this account. We back seeing 200 real fast.
Let's see. We gotta close above. Fake out. Oh, let me see. 38. Bro, we didn't do nothing. Bruh, come on. Close above. All right. I'm gonna enter on the break of this 5-minute high if I can get a bottom wick. Kind of right here. Oh my God. If you want to close above. Come on, bro. Close above. 8 seconds. Let's see. All right. It's going to close above. All right. Let's see if I can get a bottom wick. I want a good one too. Like more than this. This is cool, but even more. It's 21. Not terrible, but I still want a little more than that. Like 25, 30. You could use a previous. Yeah, this is good. Breaking the high. Now I wanted to flip back down, break its low. If it flips back down, breaks it low, I can use the flip entry. All right. Come on. Break the low again. Break the low again. Break the low again. Come down. Retest. Do all that. Bro. Oh my God. Antonio, this shit's annoying me today. You can't call it, bro. And then it just tapped my target. So I really don't want to get in it if it tapped my target. Damn, this shit's annoying me today. I'm like, surely this little 20 pips ain't the end all be all. But like Roger be saying, if you trust it, get in that shit, because even if you do take the minus 20, you can just get back in on the flip. So, but yeah, so what I was looking at was this candle closing back above this 15-minute, closing back above this support right here, wick to fill right here. It was a 5-minute resistance right here. It tapped it, came down, tapping it again, playing around a little bit, but that's really all I was looking for, was just from here to here. Oh my God, bro.
I took that though. I just got another little 200. I'm gonna keep doing it.
Good shit. I liked it. I just wanted a little bit more of a bottom, but it tapped it perfectly though. It tapped it perfectly. I just wanted a little bit more down. Damn. I just knew we was gonna make a little bottom, like a decent bottom wick.
Only took a 7 on it.
Huh?
I said I only took a 7 on that one.
Yeah, but you hit for 30 plus. Yeah, see, like that's an 80 pip bottom wick right here. Last candle had a 120 pip bottom wick, and this one doing all this movement with 18 pip bottom. Ain't call it. Ain't call it. Damn, when this shit run off like this, boy, you'd be like, eesh. This is kind of insane, though. Look at this run up. Roger, you catch any of this? 240 in 3 minutes. Wow. And I guess technically another entry woulda, coulda, shoulda used was kind of like buy above here, I guess. But I don't like getting in that late though. Shit, is this 5 minute about to close above? Wow. Nah, whatever. Touch my stop. Oh, so you hit a loss on that. That's annoying as fuck. Damn, if this wasn't, this is like a 5 or 15 minute closure, I might fuck with it. Oof, bruh. The stops are too stupid now, though. You can't even do nothing. 8 seconds. I mean, you blasted through everything, and now your next zone is here, and you could, I guess, play this game. Squeezing. I just don't like getting in after, bruh, something like this. That's kind of crazy to do. I think I'd rather just wait on. Let's see. I'm gonna paper trade it though. I'm gonna see what woulda, shoulda, coulda happened if I got in wherever this 5 minute low is. My only problem is I ain't doing nothing but trying to get to this, which it might do it. I'm gonna paper trade it and see if it woulda worked out. Yeah, tapped. Crazy as fuck. Yeah, at this point, probably wait on the 10 o'clock closure above everything. And if it does, it's 46. That'd have been 46 on the reflip right into this zone. This shit is moving too fast, bro. It's running off too much, dude. But let me go downstairs real quick, and I'll be right back again. I just look out and click. I might have to go back down like this. All right, I'm back again. Let's see. Shit, at this point, all right, this is insane. Dumb as fuck. Oh, wow. This is insane. I bet this is good for the S&P. Yep. I already knew it. S&P 500 on the run again. Thirty seconds. Damn, I didn't even mark up my trade. So. I'll do it another day. Or I'm trying to remember better than I. Bro, just push up. Push up. It's crazy, y'all. Just chilling for now. Just This is weird, bro. At this point, I'm just waiting on a closure above the same little resistance area that we keep holding down. How we doing now? Good, good. It pushes. Might not be a bad move. Closure above, get a wick down. You got nothing in the way to the left hand side. So let's see. Dang, Raj. Nice, dog. But you kept getting on them 5-minute entries, like them flips. Target to target. All right, let me go get this again. Come back. All right, let's see. Hmm. All right, let's see how much of a bottom wick I can catch on this. You are closing above everything. With a new 1 hour and a new 4 hour, I would anticipate that we are gonna make a good bottom wick. Can't believe that this thing filled all the way down here like this. All right, let's see. I wanted to tap what I wanted to tap, which is here. It flips, or it can do all this, but if it can touch this, I'll set a flip entry. It needs more than this on a new 4 hour opening, though. I know that much. Come on, come down. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna go a little bit lesser size with that big ass bottom wick and all this volatility. Do you have any moves or anything? That's the bottom wick I want. All right, let's see if we want to play nice. Ooh. Probably use like a 50, 60 tip stop in this instance. Trying to hit for anywhere between 50 and 100. Just real targets can be up into here, but unlikely gonna be holding all that. Looking for a resistance or closure above this resistance like it's doing. First target really can be into here, but it stops getting big, bruh. 150, 160. Oh man, you can't call it. Yeah, if I can stop below like this support or this resistance. Damn, bruh. I still got it set. Just gonna see though. I'm not aware of those things. Man, I don't love all this bullshit that's going on right now, bro. Like, I do think that if and when this bit flips back up, we should be cool to run up based off of the 1 hour. I mean, look at this, bro. Projecting out of here. Good shit though, Roger, man. You need your 100 tonight. I've heard different things. I've heard from some that it will be good to trade. You can trade tomorrow, and I read in that email. From my understanding, you can't. All right, shit, it might get me in here. Damn, I just don't want that to happen. If I do get I do not want that shit to get me in it at all. There's only 1 minute left into this 5-minute closure. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna reassess. I want to get in after that, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. And I really can have a better stop loss, a better technical stop loss if I wait on this 5, see what it do. If this 5 can close, I don't like it is right now. And respect this support. I love this still. Five, 4, 3. All right, I want a low bottom wick on the 5-minute, preferably. Something. And whatever. Set it again. Now we use this low, 45 to 50 pips. This is a 15-minute flipping again. All right, now it's big again to where I wouldn't use the whole stop anyway. I would just kind of use whatever this stop is. Oh, yo, you must have something to say coming on camera. All right, let's see, bro. Come on. This is the 15-minute candle flipping. If I get in. We use about a 50 to 60 pip stop. Or just set it real fast. All right, Brandon.
Stop filled.
All right. Split me by about 6, 7 pips. Bruh. Oh my goodness. This is a whirlwind. This is so volatile right now.
Order filled.
Oh, got it. All right, y'all. That's my day too. Got that. Wick fill. Flip entry on a 15. Got my stop about 50, 60 pips down. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So let's see how we shook out on the day. Finish plus 227, plus 236, plus 56. So good day overall. Just had to kind of wait. It should keep running up, but this wasn't the best read on the day. So I'm cool where I'm at. I think I just hit for 45, 35. Yeah, 35. But all right, y'all. Let's hit the group message and we'll be back on it. Stay dangerous. I think that'd have been break even hit or close to it. So yeah, for sure. Y'all be easy. Yep, break even hit. Boom.